Water is flowing out from there to here. Extraordinary view. Enache? Because nothing is visible after 10 meters. Okay, let's start the bike and keep it idle for some time for cold start. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to yet another video in my channel. I am going to Valparai. Valparai is one of the beautiful places in Tamil Nadu. It's a hill station basically. Yes, I am going to Valparai. Valparai is one of the most beautiful places, the Ghat section in Tamil Nadu. I have never been to Valparai before. This is my first time of visiting Valparai. And this is going to be a ride of 6 members. So my friends are on the way to a common meetup point. I am right now going there to that meetup point. From there we will be starting. 2 of my fellow riders are coming from Trichy. And few of them are coming from Nagarkoil and Tirupur. So yesterday itself I came to Karur from Bangalore. Now I am in full energy and I started my ride. So from Karur, the common meetup point will be 77 kilometers for me, and I have 59 more kilometers to reach the destination of the common meeting point. So this is going to be one hell of a ride, guys. Brace yourself and let's get going. So the roads from Karur to Odanchatiram seems pretty good. If I go before them, I have to wait for those guys to come there, right? So I'm just being slow because the distance from Trichy to reach the common meeting point for them is 125 kilometers, but for me it was 77. So I started kind of 30 minutes late from my home and matching the time so that they also can reach the common point at the right time. 337.5 kilometers I have covered from Bangalore till here. Yesterday night itself I have fueled up and everything is ready. So on my way, let me take a small break to have some coffee or tea and I will continue from there. So this is the reason I will always plan for the early morning rides, guys. So the time, the weather, I really like this kind of weather with the mist surrounding me, with breathtaking views and landscapes. They said they are in a petrol bunk nearby and they are fueling up. Let them come. Until then, we will wait here. Look at my Red Hawk. I am here and he is coming here. Come on, bro. Okay. Guys, we have 145 more kilometers to reach Valparai from here. This is Odanchatiram. So we will be stopping for a breakfast soon. Damn, that gorilla is looking so sexy. Beautiful it is. Somehow the wind blast is heavy. I feel that wobble here. Look at the beautiful scenic view here. Okay, we just stopped to take a photo. Enna? Illa issue la photo edukadukane pannu. Thank you. Look at there. There's one more windmill which is slightly rotating. But this view looks awesome. How many windmills here? Look at that. Everywhere there are windmills. Everywhere there are windmills. Coimbatore is 72, Pollachi is 45 kilometers. There is a lot of water stagnant here. We are looking for some hotels. We couldn't find one. We are feeling hungry. Time is now 8:50, almost 9. Hey, why? Nowadays, these government buses and private buses, everybody are doing rash driving. எல்லாரும் ஹோட்டல்னு போர்டு போடுறானுங்க, ஆனா சோறு தான் போட மாட்டறானுங்க. We are done with the breakfast. Time is exactly 10 now, and we are just before Udumalaippet. If we go straight, we can go to Pollachi, but we are taking the Udumalaippet road. Weather is changed, and we are starting to feel the heat now. It's manageable. Time is now 10. These guys are pulling up, and I need to manage with them. Let me also pull my bike. Here also there are lot of windmills around us. So guys, so far we had a very good roads. I don't know going forward how it will be. These roads are narrow. I think it is taking us inside the villages. Okay, Aliyar Dam is 7 km, Valparai is 49 from here. I'm pretty excited, guys. I'm pretty excited. I think here is where we need to get the ticket to enter and see the Aliyar Dam. No, this is a park, Aliyar Park. But guys, believe me, today and tomorrow, 2 days we will be here, and we will see a hell lot of crowd. When we try to book some rooms to stay, almost all the rooms in Valparai are full on the given dates, today and tomorrow. But fortunately we got one room which can accommodate 6 persons, and that is what we booked. See how many vehicles are queuing up here. I expected this. Huge traffic. Schools and colleges are leave, and it's a long vacation, Diwali vacation, so everyone are lining up to visit Valparai. That's the reason there is a hell lot of traffic, as I told. Man, overwhelming crowd. Okay, we got the entry token for bikes. Wow, look at the beauty of this dam from here. Look at the breathtaking view of the Aliyar Dam. Okay, let's start to climb the ghat section. Okay, I think this is the entrance to Kaviyarvi Monkey Falls. உள்ள போலாமா? குளிச்சிடலாமா? சரி வாங்க. Okay, we are decided to enter Monkey Falls, and we are going to take bath. எடுத்துட்டு போயிடலாம். குரங்கருவி, அதுதான் இப்போ கவியருவின்னு பேர் மாத்திருக்காங்க. மங்கி ஃபால்ஸ் தான் இது. மங்கி ஃபால்ஸ் தான். ஐயோ அங்க பாரு ப்ரோ. அடுத்த ஆளு. We are now ready with the bathing getup. தண்ணி எப்படி இருக்கு? செம சில்லுன்னு இருக்கு. அங்க குளிச்சுட்டு இருக்காங்க. சாய்ங்க சாஞ்சிங்க.
மண்டை வலி எல்லாம் சும்மா அப்படியே மசாஜ் பண்ணி விட்டானுக்கு ஒரு மசாஜ். சரி இப்போ வலிக்கி விடாமல் நம்ம கீழே போடுவோம்.
Okay guys, after wonderful enjoyment in Kavi Aruvi, we are starting to climb the hills to reach Valparai. And the water is so refreshing, so refreshing. It is chill and very refreshing. We felt a good massage actually in that waterfalls. Seriously guys, we really enjoyed a lot. We are going to our room now, do a check-in and take some rest, and we will introduce ourselves to each other. Time is now 12:45. So on our way we are planning to have lunch. The temperature is actually normal. It's not too chill. We are just starting to climb it, right? So after reaching the top, we'll come to know the actual temperature, what is there in Valparai. There is some small water channel going there. We just climbed the first hairpin bend. So there are total of 40 hairpin bends are there. After second hairpin bend, I'm starting to feel the chillness. Yeah, it's good. So maybe after 40th hairpin bend, it will be much cooler, even more cooler. Loam's View hairpin bend. Guys, check this out. Yeah, Nikodada. They're not allowing to stop. Wow, look at the peacock here. It is standing nearby. Wow, what a beautiful place. Extraordinary. I'm in love with this place. This is extraordinary view. Check this. Look at the clouds lying on top of the mountain. They are sleeping. They are sleeping there. This is the place, waterfall. Scenic road. The famous road. Every people will park their vehicles here to take the photograph. As you see, look at how many people are here. Extraordinary view. Massive. Guys, if I don't take any photos or videos in this beautiful location, the Almighty God will not forgive me. I will stop here. I stopped here. Let me shoot some good photos and take some videos, and we will leave to the room. No wonder people are calling this Valparai as seventh heaven. Really. Okay, let's start. Bro, guys, we are still looking for hotels. Hotels are heavily crowded here. Wherever the hotels are, it's full of traffic. It's a wrong date, but we don't have any other options. Guys, we literally struggled a lot and finally found a fried rice hotel. So we are planning to finish off our lunch here. None of the hotels are available. There are heavy queue waiting there. Diwali live, long live. Everybody is now vacation mode. So everybody wants to go somewhere. The entire city is crowded. We don't have space even to park our bikes. So guys, everyone, நாங்க room reach ஆயாச்சு. வரும்போது மழை ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிடுச்சு. எப்படியா ஒரு வழியாக வந்தால் போதுன்ற மாதிரி ஆகிப்போச்சு. வந்து ரீச் ஆகி ஒரு வழியாக செட்டில் ஆயாச்சு. 2 ரூம்ஸு. இது ஒரு 3 பேருக்கு அகாமடேட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்கிற காட்டு ஒன்று. இதே மாதிரி இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கிற ரூம்லேயும் அங்கேயும் இந்த 3 பேர் அகாமடேட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்குது. ஸோ இங்கே தான் நம்ம 2 நாள் ஸ்டே பண்ண போகிறோம். கண்டினியூ டு வாட்ச் த வீடியோ. இந்த vlog எப்படி இருக்குன்றதை நீங்கள் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ணுங்கள்.
The next day.
Good morning guys, this is day 2 of our trip in Valparai. Fresh morning, it feels really absolutely amazing while watching the scenic view just before our room. Let me show it to you. I see fog coming out of my mouth now. It feels so really chill. So let's get started, guys. Today we are planning to visit Athirappally Waterfalls. We will be starting in some time. Okay, we need to cold start the bike and keep it idle for some time. Let's start it. Guys, there are no other petrol bunks apart from the one which is there in the Valparai. Since we are going to Athirappally today, it is 90 kilometers from here, so up and down will be 180. We need to fuel up, make it a full tank, and then we can leave. Okay guys, I'm going to ride this intruder. I wish I have the power to fly like a Superman, and I really wanted to fly over through all of this landscape. Okay, we have reached Sholayar Dam. Vandi ulla kondu poga mudiyuma? Let's try if we can get inside this. Man, this is a beautiful Sholayar Dam in Valparai. Lot of other folks also came in with their bikes. Wow. Guys, check this out. The water flowing out from the Sholayar Dam. Come, let's see that. Look at this. Water is flowing out from there to here, and from there it is flowing out like this. Let us cross the bridge. Now look at this. Okay guys, we started from Sholayar Dam and heading towards Athirappally. Athirappally is 50 kilometers from here. After this it will be a complete off-road. I think it will take 2 hours to reach. We need to drive very carefully, complete off-road. Okay, we need to get entry token here and we can proceed. Let's go and get. Okay guys, there is no charges for getting the entry token, but there is a restriction in and out time. Once we get that token right, within 2 hours we need to go and reach the other side of the checkpost. If you cross more than 2 hours, you will be charged. There will be a penalty. I don't know how much will be the penalty amount, but 2 hours is the time limit to reach there. And while coming back, that checkpost will be closed by evening 4 p.m. Before 6 o'clock we need to come out in the same route. The reason for this restriction is no one should get down and take photos or spend some time in between due to the animals attack. Elephants will be there mostly, so to avoid that they are having this restriction. Now let's go and see if we spot any wild animals. I think we will see elephants. Let's check. Heavy off-road. Here is waterfalls. If we want to see any wild animals, if we want to see any elephants, we should cross this route by early morning, probably around 5 or 6. Then there is a very high possibility that we may come across elephants. We are deep inside the forest. from it. What happened here? என்னாச்சு? என்னாச்சு? பைக்கு கீழே விழுந்துச்சா? ஐயோ, இதுக்குள்ளயா? அந்த பையனா அடிபட்டு இருக்கிறது? I think that's the guy who fell down. என்னாச்சு? பைக்கா எடுத்தாச்சா? இப்போ என்ன தேடிட்டு இருக்கீங்க? திங்ஸ் ஏதாவது இருக்கான்னு பார்க்குறீங்களா? I don't know how that happened. People are okay, right? No problem. Need to be careful. அதான் வண்டி ஆக்சிடென்ட் ஆயிடுச்சான். இதுக்குள்ளே வண்டி விட்டாங்க போல இருக்கு. வண்டிலாம் தூக்கிட்டு போயிட்டாங்க. இப்போ ஒரு பையன் அடிந்தா அந்த நிற்கிற மாதிரி அவனு மட்டும் அவன் தான் விழுந்தான்னு நினைக்கிறேன். கையெல்லாம் அடிபட்டு கிடக்கு. அங்கே பாருங்க எப்படி ஷார்ப்பாக நிற்க. அதெல்லாம் உடஞ்சி போயிருக்கு. அவங்க விழுந்தனால உடஞ்சிருக்கு போல. இல்லை ப்ரோ, வண்டி எடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னு சொன்னாங்க. இது இப்போ விழுந்த மாதிரியா இருக்குது. அது பார்த்தா இல்லையே. ஜாக்கிரதையாக போங்கப்பா. Guys, looks like there was an accident. Bike guy fell down onto that pit and they actually rescued them. I don't know how many people came, 2 or 3, I don't know, but that guy is severely injured on his hands and on his body, but they seems like they lifted the bike and they went to the town. So we need to be very careful while cornering on this road because the roads are too narrow. No speeding, definitely no speeding on this road. Deep forest, very low light here. I think when we return it will start raining. We have the rain gears ready. We never know what will come here. Cheetah, snakes, elephants. Let's think positive and be positive. Pa, complete sunlight illa. Guys, this route is so adventurous. You must try this. Chollier hydroelectric project valve house. See the gigantic pipes, 3 pipes are there. See, it is going till the bottom. I don't think elephants are here nearby. If we spot one, then that's completely our luck. See, here one more shit. There is one more shit again. Here. Rain started, guys. The rain started heavily and I had to make a hard stop and change. Okay guys, we officially entered Kerala. Had a small tea break, but the tea is very worst in that shop. Kerala is famous for tea, but in that particular shop it is very worst. Wow. Okay, we need to register for the out in this checkpost. Check this out. Okay guys, we didn't expect this much crowd here. The place is completely flooded with people, but somehow we managed to find the two-wheeler parking and parked our bikes here. There is the entrance which we need to go and take tickets to visit the waterfalls. Okay, once we get the ticket we can enter here. So guys, we need to come from there and just look at this. Okay guys, we are starting back. Guys, we are on the way to our room. The time is now 5:30.
The next day.
Hey, good morning guys. This is day 3. I think it should be 6:45 a.m. and I am starting to return back to my home. My friends are still there. They will start a little late after they check out and they will get back to their home. But now I am starting. Let's get going. Wow. Guys, I truly didn't expect that Valparai will be this much good. This is my first trip and I'm completely satisfied with the beauty of this Valparai. Whoever is watching, please come and visit Valparai and stay here for at least 2 days. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you all in the next video soon. Bye.